Alright, we're almost done putting the trigger assembly back together. Okay, now what we gotta do is come in here and clip the zip tie carefully. Take that out. Then I'm going to release the trigger spring, the hammer spring, and put it down. There we go, there's one. There's two. Now we got a functioning trigger and hammer, and it should fly forward. There we go. That's all put back together now. Okay, the rest of it's pretty easy. Just gotta loosen this bad boy back up. And come back here. Let's see. Right about chair, so we can get the whole thing in the video. The rest of it's basically putting stock back in and yada 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 yada. Oh, son of a monkey. I forgot to put my safety back in. You gotta put the safety in before you put the frickin' trigger back in. Well, I'm not gonna record that. So after I get that back in, I'll pick it. Alright, there we go. Got the safety in and got it all back together. It's a lot easier the second time you do it. Or third or fourth time you do it. Anyway. So, let's see. Safety! Oh, nice and neat. Ta-da! Okay. Now what we gotta do is put in the rear stock adapter, the grip, and all that. The stock adapter I have. Son of a monkey. There we go. Okay, there we go. There's the two handguard. We got all kinds of stuff in this little tree. Magazine body. There's the stock adapter. Okay. So there's our stock adapter. Right chair. It's gonna go in right chair. Let's see, I know I had some washers. Let's see. Yeah, I put the washers in there. There we go. Okay. Seat that in there. Damn, it's tight now. Put that Duracoat on there. Okay. The right tool for the job. Half-inch wrench. Get this bad boy in there and tighten it up. There we go, get it in there. Tighten it. It doesn't need to be overly tight, but tight enough. Okay. Then I'm gonna put my grip on. Oh, by the way, if you want to know what any of these modifications are, you can check out my video. I'll probably post a link or something. Dang it, one of my pins isn't set. Figure that out later. Okay. So let's take that screw, grip screw out. Where's my grip at? Okay. Now we got Magpul Tactical Coyote Brown. Yeah. Let's see. It never goes in there right the first time. You're gonna have to like whoop. Grab a pair of tweezers. There we go. Once we get that through, feed a screwdriver in there. Get it through it, get it started. Oh, come on now. And then we got it started. And we can just tighten her down. Okay, it don't have to be too tight, but don't want it coming loose. There we go. And we can finish that off with our cover. Oh yeah. Looking good. And then we can put the stock tube on there. That bad boy up in there. You see that? There we go. It's a little better. And then we got these retained. We'll just pop them back in there where they came from. Too big. Just right. There's one. Pop that other bad boy in there. There's number 2. And just tighten them just enough. Don't have to overdo it. Ta-da! I'm a big proponent of putting my tools back up in the same spot over and over again, so I know where they are. Let's get some of this cleaned up. Alright. Let's see how much time we got left. A couple minutes. And then we can pop our stock back on. Ooh. Oh. It's starting to look crazy. Okay. And put our this bad boy back in there. I like my setting on number 2. Gonna have to untape this thing. That wouldn't be good. If we get all the tape and stuff in there and try to shoot it. There we go. Okay. Got that together. Almost done. My bolt carrier groove. We got the trigger lock to the rear. All like that. Oh, we need our dust cover. Heck, my dust cover. There it is. There she blows. Boyo. Just about done. Just gotta put on the bird cage flash hider. Take my tape off, my threads. I don't paint threads usually, not if I can avoid it. Ta-da! Oh, what a tard. Put the whole thing back together without a hand guard on it. Anyway, that's the basic idea. We'll come back.